हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू जस्ट रिलैक्स। और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे वेस्ट इन मुंबई गार्डन सिटी के बारे में। इट इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस एंड बिफोर इवन आई गेट इनटू इट, लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू a little bit about the location and where is this amazing place situated. So Mumbai के अंदर गोरेगांव ईस्ट के अंदर this is a landmark. So if you ask anyone West in Mumbai Garden City in Goregaon East, you can easily reach there. Very close to the highway and it is very visible from the Western Express Highway. This is a 5-star hotel and it is a beautiful building. There are like 30 plus stories there and you can use this for multiple purposes. जैसे कि आप यहाँ स्टे भी कर सकते हैं, आप यहाँ अपनी इवेंट्स कर सकते हैं. यू कैन कम एंड एंजॉय फूड इन सम अमेजिंग रेस्टोरेंट्स. अब बिफोर आई गेट इन टू द इनसाइड्स ऑफ द होटल, लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द आउटसाइड ऑफ द होटल. द आउटसाइड व्यू इज ब्यूटिफुल. They have a valet parking. Once you move in, the reception area is massive and it is amazing. This is how the reception looked like when we went there and when we were finishing our check-in formalities. So after finishing the check-in formalities, we were taken to our rooms. Basically, there are multiple types of rooms there. And this is how our room looked like. And it was beautiful and very neat and clean. Inside the room, we were getting the city view. After that, we went to the 4th floor and this floor is beautiful for many reasons. First of all, यहाँ पर एक heavenly spa है where you can just come and relax, take any kind of spa there. They have professional therapists out there, so you will have an amazing time. And they also have the Western workout area here where you can come and hit the gym. And they also have Western Kids Club, which is only for the tiny tots. And also, not to forget the beautiful pool area. Now let me show you the pool area. Basically, it is a massive area. They have a big pool and a small pool for the kids, and obviously for the kids they also have some amazing slides. And let me show you some of the clips of the pool area now. Other than this, they also have multiple meeting rooms, conference halls and event halls. which can be used for marriage occasions as well. And this place is really famous for all these events and meetings. Now, if you're coming to Westin and if you're not enjoying the restaurants, then you are missing on a huge thing there. So there are basically 6 restaurants inside Westin Garden City. The first one, I'll talk about the Kangan restaurant, which is a traditional restaurant and it is really famous for their dinners, and you must definitely come and have some great meals in the evening in this restaurant. Other than that, on the same floor they have a seasonal taste restaurant which is famous for their multiple cuisine buffet, and you can actually enjoy multiple types of food there and have some great time with your friend and family. Other than that, they also have a Prego Italian restaurant which is right at the ground floor, very close to the reception, where you can actually come and have some snacks and of course enjoy some drinks. Other than that, they also have a Splash outdoor poolside restaurant on the 4th floor, which is a restaurant cum bar, so you can also enjoy the pool and some great drinks and food in this restaurant on the same floor. Other than that, they also have the 18, the lounge and bar restaurant, and as the name suggests, it is a lounge and bar. And not to forget, they also have a home delivery service and they call it Marriott on Wheels. If you're coming to Westin Garden City and if you're not checking out the gardens nearby, then you're missing on a lot. It is beautiful, there are a lot of greenery out there and you can have some great time in this green area. The night view is beautiful, the building looks great, and you can really have some great time in the night view as well. Overall, this is a really massive and a beautiful place, and you can come there for stays, you can come there for just having fun and having some great meals in their restaurants, or you can have some events or meetings in this place. Overall, there are multiple things that you can do, and not to forget, you can also book it for the wedding purposes. So if you're looking for an amazing place to enjoy or relax or just use it for your official or some events, then Westin Mumbai Garden City is the place. And before I go, just one simple request: if you like this video, then please hit the like button, do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, please leave a comment and we'll help you with the best of our knowledge. And of course, how did you like this video? Please leave that in the comment. So that's pretty much it for Westin Mumbai Garden City, and we will see you very soon.